Hello and welcome to this new video on how to read aloud chat from ChatGPT. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of your choice. In the top of the web browser, there will be a search bar. Click on the search bar and just type ChatGPT and press enter on the keyboard. After that, the ChatGPT interface will be opened, and in the bottom of the screen, there will be a chat section where you can type your message. So you can just type the message that you want to know. So I'll just type random text and I'll press enter in the keyboard. After that, ChatGPT will generate the answer, and when the answer is generated successfully, there will be a list of icons that will be shown in the bottom of the in text. And when you hover around the first icon, it says read aloud. It is an speaker icon, and so when you hover around it, it says read aloud. So you can just click on it and the chat GPT will read aloud your chat. So this is how you can easily read aloud chats on ChatGPT. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.